Okay, something a bit different. There's some mini games on Minecraft. New, well, sort of new update. So, okay, sorry, I'm gonna try and show you where some of the things are. Oh yeah, this one. Oh, I'll have to go around and remember it. Let's find it. Where are they? Is there one in here? There's one in here, isn't it? No, there's nothing that opens up. No, where is it? It's like this thing I told you. Oh yeah, here. Duh. Oh, don't worry. I got your back. Oh. Wait, what? Wait, what skin am I? Oh, Maggie. No, I think the good thing about this skin is okay, there's some serious lag. Sneaky chest. Oh, and look, you see, I have gold armor on. No, I don't. No, I don't. Oh, that is just the best thing about this map. This skin. So I always choose it. There is some serious lag. Well, you won't need that many potions as well. Oh, and that's it. Lag. Jumped ages ago. Just wanted to look down there. Oh, come on, kill each other. No, I'm pressing it. What? Don't tell me they're teaming. Oh yes, kill each other now. Die. Kill each other. I'm begging you. Please, Finley 6767. I've got all day. Come on, hit yes. That's the best weapon. It's Herobrine. Oh, the showdown. Oh my. Oh yeah. Oh my God. Finley, you got this in the bag. Yes, come on. You got this in the bag, man. This guy's only got a stick. Don't let him run away. Don't let him run away. Kill him. Kill him. Yeah, why? Oh, I'm done. They're playing split screen. They're just telling each other. No, wait. Give me food. No, now they're trying to team. No, you'll kill each other. No teaming. I'm trying to team. And get clocked into everyone. Team. Okay. I block it for you. I block the arrows, Finley. I got you, man. I block them. Block them arrows. Come on, there's like 40 seconds left. We're waiting. Come on. No, not you, Mutley. Not you. Oh my. Oh, you want to see your beautiful ball? Oh, slow down. Oh, these two are battling it out. Finley's won it. Oh no, that guy won it. Oh, what is that? Oh, wait. Oh, what did I get? Gravity ball. Okay, me and you. Wiggle my butt and shake it, wiggle. Shake it, wiggle. Wiggle my butt and don't go away. Just wiggling and shaking, wiggling my butt. I'm not gonna bore you and how to get all the heads. I know how to do it. What? I won't bore you. Yeah. Oh, I like this one. It's a bit slow paced there, so. Where were they? I don't remember. I'm going to show you what. Oh, I hit my head on the thing. Yes, us three Maggies. Yes, a Maggie party. Yes. The three Maggie tears. What? Where's all my stuff gone? Where'd all my stuff go? We were the three Maggie tears. Leave me alone. Look, this game is too laggy. Maggie, no. Aw. Well, this game's lagging. It's laggy. It's not Maggie no more, it's laggy. Oh yes! Go on! Maggie friend, slay this dude. Slay this Star Wars guy. No! Don't! Maggie dude, behind you! Maggie! Other Maggie friend. Behind you, man. No! Oh yeah, he's gone. Where's the other Maggie? There was two Maggies. And one of them weren't even me. There's the Maggie. No, this is the same Maggie. Where's the other one gone? No, they killed the other Maggie.
That's like if there was another Maggie, it would be the remake of the Three Musketeers.
Yeah, there was me as Maggie. Yeah. Then there was this guy as Maggie. And then there was another guy as Maggie. And we were like the three Maggie tears.
I get it because of Maggie crying.
Yeah.
Looks so weird. Look.
Dun.
You almost killed yourself.
I'm a bat, I can't die.
I thought you was already dead.
I am dead.
I think I
Look,
thought you
what's
was
up
already
here?
dead.
What's up here? You can go because this game is weird. But we know where it ends. It ends when then...
Wait, there's only two people left.
I know.
Is it your Maggie friend?
Oh yeah, Maggie friend. Maggie friend, slay that man. Maggie friend, slay him. Maggie friend, no, Maggie friend. Yeah, Maggie friend.
Are they called Finley?
Yeah, Finley Maggie friend. So I'm gonna call this person. Well, as these two are fighting.
No! How is that possible?
That's enough. So, put my hand up. Put it. Bye. I'm gonna try and win.
Bye.